Hi everyone, it's the Mountain Man. Say, I just want to share a book I picked up. Mountain Man Skills. Picked it up at Tractor Supply. It was on clearance. $17.99 regular. I got it for what, $10.79. So saved about $8 on it. Kind of mixed about it. There's some good stuff. Not wrong. There is some good stuff, but some of it's kind of vague. Some of it's not all there. It's just kind of like, I don't know, on the skirts of stuff, whatever. But there is some good stuff. Basically, what I plan on trying some of the recipes in it, and take you along for a video on some of them recipes, maybe type deal. I don't know about beaver tail soup, but anyway, just saying. But the squirrel stuff, some other stuff. There is some good trapping stuff in it, along with yeah, I'm gonna try and find it now. Just want to make this quick. But there's some stuff in there about how to tie down your stuff on your mule or your horse, how to tie your pack, type deal, stuff like that. Traps, knives, hatchets, tomahawks. It goes into stuff like all. I mean, yeah, it's stuff like that. So anyway, not bad for $10, whatever. I got another one. I need to get a replacement because at one point when things got wet, I don't know if it was in storage or my basement, wherever I lived, whenever it was, I don't even remember now. It got all kind of nasty. That one was an excellent book. I'd like to get a replacement with that. It's probably still usable, but some of the pages, like I said, moldy, got stuck together and whatnot. And I don't know if it's totally salvageable, but anyway, just wanted to share this. That's if you're into that kind of thing, I figured, you know, being kind of being me type thing, I'd share that. Take care, everybody. SD Mountain Man out.